natural health for beginners.
Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two popular grains, quinoa and rice. If you've ever wondered which one deserves a prime spot in your meals, this video gives you 5 compelling reasons why quinoa takes the crown. Nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa is often called a superfood for good reason. Unlike rice, it's a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to build lean muscle or maintain balanced nutrition. Additionally, quinoa is rich in vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, making it far more nutrient-dense than rice. Lower glycemic index. For those monitoring blood sugar levels, quinoa has a significant advantage. With a lower glycemic index, GI, than white or even brown rice, quinoa helps maintain steady energy levels without the sharp insulin spikes that can occur after eating rice. This is particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes or seeking long-term energy. Rich in dietary fiber. Quinoa contains nearly double the fiber found in most types of rice. Fiber aids digestion, promotes gut health, and supports weight management by keeping you fuller for longer. It's a natural way to prevent constipation and improve overall digestive health. Naturally gluten-free. While both rice and quinoa are gluten-free, quinoa stands out because of its nutrient density in diverse culinary uses. It's an excellent substitute for gluten-containing grains in various recipes without compromising on taste or health benefits. Environmental impact. From an environmental standpoint, quinoa production often has a smaller ecological footprint compared to rice. Rice cultivation consumes more water and is associated with higher methane emissions. Choosing quinoa supports more sustainable farming practices, helping the planet one meal at a time. Which should you choose? While rice, particularly brown rice, has its merits, including affordability and accessibility, quinoa's superior nutritional profile, health benefits, and sustainability make it the better choice for most people. So, the next time you plan your meal, consider swapping that bowl of rice for nutrient-packed quinoa. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer quinoa over rice? What are your favorite recipes using these grains? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health-focused content.